In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset progress on a Udemy course. If you've ever found yourself wanting to revisit parts of a course, perhaps to reinforce your understanding or approach it from a fresh perspective, you might have wondered how you can reset your progress on Udemy. Thankfully, the process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, start by navigating to your Udemy dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the My Learning section. This hub is where all your enrolled courses are listed. From here, go ahead and select the course for which you wish to reset your progress. This is an essential first step because you'll need to be inside the specific course that you want to update. Now, having selected your desired course, look for the Course Content tab. You can usually find this in the navigation pane on the left side of your screen, where it lists out all the sections and lectures contained in the course. Click on Course Content, and it will expand to show the full detailed list of what the course encompasses. For the next part, what you'll do is review each section where you see a check mark. These check marks typically denote that you have completed these specific sections or lectures. To reset your progress, what you need to do is simply uncheck these completed sections. By doing so, Udemy's system will automatically update and reflect the change in your overall course progress. As you uncheck each section, you'll notice your completion percentage for the course will decrease. This indicates that those sections are now marked as incomplete, allowing you to go through them again as if for the first time. Whenever you're resetting progress, it's helpful to consider your goals with the course. Are there particular areas where you felt you needed more time to digest the material? Or maybe parts you want to revisit to gain clarity? By strategically resetting your progress, you can tailor your learning experience to suit your needs best. It's also worth noting that this process of resetting course progress is non-destructive. What that means is you can redo parts as many times as you wish without losing access to the course content or any recorded completion from the past. So, feel free to experiment and take full advantage of the flexibility Udemy offers in helping you achieve your learning objectives. By following these steps, you'll have successfully reset your progress in a Udemy course, allowing you to start fresh and focus on the areas where you want to improve or review. This can be a tremendous boost as you continue on your journey of lifelong learning. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy learning!